Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today my presentation topic is ELISA. ELISA is the basic assay technique known as enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay that is carried out to detect the antibodies, hormones, peptides and proteins in the blood. Antibodies are blood proteins produced in response of the specific antigens. In this we can see that the antigen rising and then the antibodies and antigen that are interact with each other. What is antigen? Antigen are any foreign substance in the body. Antigen include not self molecules and cells such as foreign proteins, viruses and cancerous cell. What are antibodies and how they are produced? Antibodies are large glycoprotein molecule produced by B lymphocyte during the humoral immune response to antigen introduced into the body. Lymphocytes include B lymphocyte B cell and T lymphocyte T cell, which are white blood cells formed from the hematopoietic blood stem cells in the bone marrow. The immune system is made up of two parts, humoral and cellular. Humoral antibody mediated and cellular cell mediated. Types of ELISA. There are four types of ELISA: direct ELISA, indirect ELISA, sandwich ELISA, and competitive ELISA. Direct ELISA. A direct ELISA differentiates from other ELISA method due to the fact the antigen is bound directly of the wall of a microplate and the detection antibody is directly conjugated, as opposed to use of secondary conjugated antibodies as indirect ELISA. In this we can see that the antibodies, antigen and enzyme linked antibodies are interact with each other. Indirect ELISA. A detection antibody is added, but unlike direct ELISA, this antibody is non-conjugated. A secondary antibody is added to detect the first binding antibody. Sandwich ELISA. In a sandwich ELISA, the captured antibodies is adsorbed onto the ELISA plate as opposed to the antigen. Additionally, the antigen is recognized by two antibodies, one capture and one detection, thus forming a complex like sandwich. In this, we can see that the antigen, antibodies, and enzyme linked antigen interacted with each other. We can incubate for 30 minutes in the microtiter plate, sample wells and filter membrane. We can put this. Number 4, competitive ELISA. A competitive ELISA is also known as inhibition or blocking ELISA, measuring the amount of analytic present in sample by qualification of interference with an accepted signal. Thank you.